Welcome everybody, my name is Christopher Medina. I am your hearing care professional, and today we're going to be talking about hearing aid dehumidifiers. So a common problem with hearing aids is moisture, since the device is resting in your ear. Sweat and humidity are going to make water collect on it and inside of it. A lot of people overlook this issue, and I know you want to just put the hearing aid in and forget about it, right? But I tell everyone, that's so important to pay attention to the moisture, especially during the summer when it's hot. So we're going to talk about the two different types of dehumidifiers that are available right now. So the first one is the desiccant jar, or also known as the hearing aid saver. The other one would be the electronic one, which we're gonna show you a quick demo of how it works. This one right here, it's a little bit more of the fancier ones. Obviously I use this one for professional purposes here at the office because it has a vacuum, an air blower, but most importantly the dehumidifiers. Patients come in, I notice that there's a lot of moisture on the hearing aid. I'll grab it, just place it inside. It's gonna suck the air out and the moisture out. You turn it on, kind of air seals it, just give it a couple seconds. If you're interested in one, we can always talk about what fits your budget or your needs, right? Because there's people who sweat more than others and stuff like that, right? So it's pretty much done right there. Turn this off and that's it. The hearing aid's pretty much dehumidified. Now, the reason you don't want moisture inside your hearing aid, just like with any other electronic, is because it'll damage the device and it can cause it to go intermittent. This damage can cause distortion of sounds and hurt your battery life. Moisture can also clog up the ports and damage the tiny electronic components inside that your device stops working altogether. So getting a dehumidifier is going to help you out in the long run, because if you take care of your hearing aid, you'll have to take it in for service less times. It'll also help keep your hearing aid clean, because moisture will make more bacteria collect on your device and can irritate the skin on your ear. If you're looking into getting a dehumidifier, and I really recommend that you do, there are two types that you can get, like I mentioned. The first is a desiccant jar, which is the hearing aid saver. It works the same way as those silicone gel packs you find in new shoes or boxes of food. You place your hearing aid inside of the jar and the desiccant beads absorb the moisture. Once the beads fully absorb as much moisture as they can, you can put the desiccant jar in the oven to dry them up and reuse it again. The second type is the electronic dehumidifier, which can get more expensive, but there are plenty of cheap models. But this type features a built-in fan to dry out your hearing aids. It's easy to put your hearing aid into these jars or containers each night while you're sleeping, and trust me, you will notice the difference. You will notice your hearing aids perform better and longer. So there you go. I hope you guys learned something. If you guys have any questions, please post down below. I'm happy to get back to you. And again, thank you so much for your support. Like, share, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next episode. Take care.